This is a little piece of ornamentation that you can fit into many, many guitar songs. Cadd9, down, down, up, up. Then you will remove the first and second fingers and you will pick the fourth string with a downstroke. And very quickly after it, you will add that first finger tip on. It's very important when you remove your fingers that you don't come too far out because you will miss the strings. When I take fingers off the guitar, they just come a little bit off. And after that, you will take the finger off and you will pick the third string with an upstroke. Very, very important, because as you're doing that upstroke, your fingers are tracking back to the G chord to pick the sixth string open. Up, down. And that's the phrase. If I do it quickly. So instead of playing C and G, which is correct, you could play it Cadd9, down, up, up. And this little piece in between.